About Y10 connectors. This one is the charger port connect, the battery output connector. So this the switch connectors and the parts connectors. This one is home light, home lights. This one the front lights. This one is voltage key. This one 6 lines, 2 connectors, 6 lines, small, tiny lines is display lines, throttle display. This one is the brake cutoff lines, handlebar brake, e-brake cutoff lines. This one is the dual model and single model lights, line and eco and turbo lines. These 2 connectors is side lights connectors. This one is the switch line, the handlebar switch, front line, turn signal and home lines. So this connect to the turn signal positive line. This connect to the front light, home light. This is the power line. So 3 connectors. The first one is the all red lines. This turn signal line. This connector is connect to the control B. Control B have the negative line to the connector to the turn signal negative line. The black line is the home line. The center, the blue one is connected to the voltage key. And the red one is front lights line. And this one is the brake line. This one is the real normal open line. It's with the front light. When front light is opened, this light opened. So this brake light connect to the yellow, black, and they have connect to the controller B. And this one is connect to the front light. They connect to the front light. They connect to the front light. The front light connect to here, and they all connect to the front light here. This is the front light. There's a switch line. The rear motor line, color to color connect. The front color to color combined to the front controller A, color to color. There's no whole sensor line Y11 or Y10. No whole sensor line. This is brake cutoff line, connect to control A. This display line connect to control B. Control B is our main control. The 6 tiny lines combined to this. There are 2 connectors combining control A and control B, the communication lines. Controller A combined controller B, color to color. This voltage key line. These 3 lines connect to the controller B, and the left is the output line. Negative is the power line. These voltage key connectors. This one is from controller B to the voltage key input. Output this line. One is to the controller B, back to the controller B. One is to the switch line, here, switch line input, power input.